How do you make Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge? Well, let me show you, but first off, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right, let's get on with it. I'm in Microsoft Edge now, so the way to do it, top right you've got the three dots, which is the settings menu, so click on the three dots, then go all the way down and choose settings, which has got a little cog icon next to it. So click on settings and it will open the settings menu. Next, go to privacy, search and services, which is the second one down the left for me. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and it's as if they're doing this on purpose, so you don't want to change it from Bing, but this is how you do it. At the bottom, address bar and search. It took me ages to find this. So address bar and search, then go to your search engine used in the address bar. So the address bar is this bar along the top. It's got Bing, which is the recommended and default one. Of course it's recommended, it's a Microsoft product. And you want to change it to Google. Though you could change it to any of these. Click Google, and it says search on new tabs uses the search box or address bar, which is the search box. You can now see that Google is the default. So let's test that. So I'll go to here and I'll put in, actually let's look up Everton. There we go. Don't like to see that result, but it's taking me to Google. So there you go. That is how you set Google as your default search engine in the address bar on Microsoft Edge. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel.